G'day all you YouTubers out there. Is this the best thing that I have never been told about? It's a little methylated fondue maker. Still got the label on it. Methylated spirits. Very low tech. Hey, have a look. I just wanted to boil a bit of cabbage while I was cooking some steak on the other barbecue. There's my solar set up there. Okay, get back to the main event. Yeah, so I thought I'll give that a try. Well, put a bit of water in the bottom and the cabbage in a couple of minutes. It's boiling away, steamed the cabbage. It's done. And I thought instead, before I eat the cabbage, I'll just chuck it out there. Metho burners. I've never gone into them before. I've seen the big brass pump up ones, but other than that, I don't know much about them. If it's a similar type of thing that I can chuck in the backpack to go camping and things like that, because this one here now is really permanent in my tools. $5 from a local opportunity shop. It's great. It's fantastic. So there you go, fellas, my little Metho cooker. Chuck us some feedback. Let us know what you use. Let us know if you've got something similar. A bottle of Metho in Aussie here is about $2 a litre. That's pretty affordable. It just seems to work good. I've got it inside my cabin. It doesn't have an offensive smell or anything like that, like kerosene and those types of things. Anyway, send us a message. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you're using on the off-grid around the world. See you guys.